Properties of nitrogen and sulfur, MCQs. Question 1. Which statement about nitrogen or its compounds is correct? In the Haber's process, the temperature is kept high to give a good equilibrium yield of ammonia. अब Haber's process जो है वो exothermic reaction होता है. Increase in temperature favors the endothermic side, यानी backward reaction favor करेगा. It will not give a good yield of ammonia. So A गलत हो गया. Nitrogen gas is unreactive because of strong nitrogen-nitrogen double bond. Double नहीं triple bond होता है. Nitrogen monoxide will react with carbon monoxide under suitable conditions. Yes, in the presence of catalyst, जो कि catalytic converter वाले होते हैं. C is correct. The formula of ammonium sulfate is NH4SO4. NH4 twice SO4. ये भी गलत हो गया. So the correct option for this question is option C. Next, a chemist took 2 dm cube of nitrogen gas measured under room conditions and reacted it with a large volume of hydrogen gas to produce ammonia. Only 15% of nitrogen gas reacted to produce ammonia. Which mass of ammonia was formed? Okay, तो इसका reaction होता है N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3. अब हमारे पास कितना है 2 dm cube. तो अंडर रूम कंडीशन का मतलब हम इसको डिवाइड बाय 24 करके इसके मोल्स निकाल सकते हैं. तो 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 24 गिव्स अस 0.0833. अच्छा, अब 0.0833 जो है ये टोटल मोल्स हैं. ओनली 15% ऑफ द नाइट्रोजन रिएक्टेड. तो मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 15 डिवाइडेड बाय 100. So this into 15 upon 100 gives us 0.0125. ये हो गए moles of nitrogen that reacted. इससे बनेंगे moles of निकालेंगे moles of ammonia. तो 1:2 का रेशियो है. तो 0.0125 into 2 is 0.025. These are the moles of ammonia that formed. So what mass of ammonia was produced? So MR of ammonia is 17. Therefore 0.025 into 17 gives us 0.425 grams. So based on our calculation, the correct option for this question is option B. Next, the reaction of nitrogen and oxygen to produce oxides of nitrogen happens at high temperatures in car engines or lightning strikes during thunderstorms. What is the main reason for these reactions requiring such high temperatures? The lack of reactivity of nitrogen due to the half-filled 2p subshell in the nitrogen atom. इससे reactivity का ताल्लुक नहीं है, इससे loss of electrons का ताल्लुक होगा. B. The lack of reactivity of nitrogen due to the strength of the bonds in N2. नाइट्रोजन का ट्रिपल बॉन्ड होता है. It will require a very high temperature to react. ये ऑप्शन सही है. The lack of reactivity of oxygen due to electron-electron repulsion in one of its 2p orbitals. इसका ताल्लुक loss of electron से है, reactivity से नहीं है. The lack of reactivity of oxygen due to the strength of the bond in O2. ऑक्सीजन डबल बॉन्ड जरूर है, लेकिन इसकी बॉन्ड एनर्जी इतनी ज्यादा नहीं है जितनी जो है वो नाइट्रोजन ट्रिपल बॉन्ड की बॉन्ड एनर्जी है. So out of the given options, the correct option for this question is option B.